welcome to episode 13 of Rosan's Voice. As we know that Reza agreed to kill Rob's wife. On receiving the news that Rosan and his father escaped to the hospital, he flew to that hospital to investigate where did Rosan and her father escape to. Killing Rob's wife had to wait, as Rosan's case was a very special case to Reza. He bribed nurses, doctors, and securities to inform him on Rosan's whereabouts with his father, but no one knew where they were. It was a dead end, but Reza didn't give up. He kept searching until finally one of his police friends informed him that Rosan and his father are shifted to a different hospital. This gave Reza motive to search all hospitals if he had to, just to find Rosan and his father. Reza was one of those criminals that always completed tasks assigned to him. At the grave laid Rosan's mother, a powerful, strong woman who fought to save her daughter's life, even at the cost of her own. Only Rosan, her father, Fate, policemen and women attended Rosan's mother's funeral, as it was a secret. Rosan and her father's whereabouts were not public knowledge. As soil covered Rosan's mother's coffin, Rosan recited her poem. Tshehlo tsa bohloko ya khitla khutlo pale ka sitwa ho khutlela morao ke qale ka fellwa ke matla ka hloka bohlale ka phunyeha maqeba ke sa lemale ka khitla seboko ke sa lebale ka qhoba khomu ke sa nyale ya kakaila e sa thale le koko la yona la wapesa le sa sale wa fothoha mothapo wa kale ka kolletsa dikeledi ke sa qhale ka nwisetsa o phuthetse mobu ke sa jale tshehlo tsa bohloko tsa nkgomarela. Will Reza find Rosan and her father before the court date? Will Rob and his family rot in jail for their crimes? What will happen to locked up Grace at the farm? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.